Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states, we along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to Najd to fight a war. We sighted Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in a valley abound in thorny trees. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dismounted under a tree and hung his sword on one of the branches of that tree. And other people dispersed, seeking the shade of the other trees in the valley. The reporter says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a man came to me while I was asleep. So he took my sword. When I all of sudden wake up, he was standing beside my head, and I realized it when there was uncovered sword in his hand. He said, now who will save you from me? I said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He again said, who will save you from me? I said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he then put the sword in the scabbard. Now he is sitting here. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then did not harm him. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 5909.